Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials: power the controller, enable Bluetooth on the PC, or have a USB cable handy. Once done, install any required driver so Windows recognizes HID devices. This prevents phantom inputs. Put the controller into pairing mode now. The LED or button combo signals readiness. While pairing, make sure the PC is discoverable and you select the correct device name. This avoids connecting a similarly named peripheral. Proceed to the connection step after the device appears. You now connect and configure the controller. If using Bluetooth, click Add Device in Settings and choose the controller. If wired, plug and wait for driver install. After connection, open game controllers or the provided app to calibrate axes. This fixes drift and aligns neutral positions. Map buttons and sticks so games read inputs correctly. Reassign buttons resolve conflicts. Test dead zones and sensitivity with the calibration tool, and make small adjustments to avoid jitter while preserving responsiveness for fast actions. Finish by saving a profile and binding controls in your target game or emulator. This locks settings and streamlines switching. Once done, verify in-game input and tweak sensitivity as needed. If the controller fails to respond, reboot the PC to clear driver conflicts and repair the device to reset the connection. If problems persist, update controller firmware or perform a factory reset. This resolves compatibility bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: check for driver mismatches and reinstall the correct HID driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.